Guys, I have Amazon packages. It just makes me feel good every time, I swear. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one first because I'm pretty sure I know what it is. And this is gonna be for a future video. Yeah, so I hope y'all like it. Y'all, it's whatever. Okay, so first I got this for I have a projector, and so I got this for my projector so that I can watch TV on it. And then I got this Bee Loves Smackalicious spicy sauce because I've been wanting to try this since since Bee Love came out with it, you know? I'm so obsessed with watching her little mukbangs. Look at that. Yep. I'm so obsessed with watching them. Like, I don't know. I never had a seafood boil when I started watching hers, but I recently had one and they hit. They do hit. She knew what she was talking about, but I feel like it looks different when she eats it. So I want to try her sauce and hopefully it's good. But next I already know what this is, and girl, y'all are gonna be like, bitch, are you 10? But yes, okay, yes I am. Yeah. Slime, girl, slime, yes. And in the second box, let me show y'all. Give me 1 second. Ooh. Okay, the second box. Yep. Slime times 2. I cannot wait to fucking use these. I'm a slime girly now. I really am. Hold on. Let me see.
If I advise.
Okay, we're gonna unbox this together. Y'all, I am now a slime girly. I watch these to go to sleep and I love them so much, and we're gonna unbox them together. I can't wait. I love slime. I love it. I love it, girl. I'm like, which one should we do? This one has fruits on it. Fruits, or this one has this one has fruits too. Okay, girl. I think these are from the same person, to be honest. Sealed. It's very nice for a kid's toy. Okay. Sprinkles. These little cubes. Oh my god. More sprinkles. Some peaches. Love it. Baby peaches. And then the star of the show. Yep, the motherfucking slime. Alright, so I'm like, let's open her up. Come on. I'm like, if I can even get her open. If I can get her open, ma'am. Okay. Ooh, I can't wait. She's so cute. Okay. I'm like, let's clean my space. I have so many fucking sunglasses just sitting right here. I need to move out the way. Out the motherfucking way. Okay. I'm like, how do I open this? I don't know if I was supposed to break that or... Yeah, I don't know. Let me come back. I don't know if you're supposed to break that. How the fuck do you open this shit? Girl! Ooh. How is this a children's story? Like, I just don't understand. Come on, girl. Get up. Oh, I got it. I got it! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh. I'm like, ew, girl. Get it together. Oh shit, okay. Alright, so she's out. And like, let me put y'all a little like further and like down. So y'all can see what I'm doing. What I'm cooking up. Watch me cook it up. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Like you can't even see me. Okay. Okay. I need something to set this on. Not that, that's not tall enough. That's not tall enough. Okay. How about this? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna open all these things before we like put them in. Open them all up. All right, let's get into this slime. So we're using this Juicy Peach slime. Love her. Let's put some white sprinkles first. Some white sprinkles. Okay. Maybe I should take this out, actually. Ah, sprinkle fell on me. The sprinkles are running away. So I should probably take this out so I could get all in the slime. And just tip it over. Okay. It smells so good. It smells like bath soap. That's what it smells like. Okay, girl, I'm gonna need you to get out. Come on. Why is this so goddamn hard? And like the slime girlies make it look so easy. But when it comes to me, I'm like, it needs activator or something. Something. It's not doing. It's not working right. Okay. So cute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's, if I can get my hand off, let's put some stuff in here. So we'll put these pink sprinkles. Oh shit, I'm dropping it all over myself. Okay. And like now I want to buy slime for all my nieces and nephews, and all my like family members are gonna hate me because they don't want slime in their house, but it's so fun. Should I have put all these sprinkles? Maybe not, because they're everywhere like a child. Okay. Let's pick these up. Come on, girl. Still falling out. They're like, did y'all see that? Oh my god, it hit my lip. They're like in between my knees. Like jumping. Okay. Okay, now we need to put these like little peach things in here. Oh my gosh, girl, they be dumping out. Okay, so we put a few, and we'll turn it over and put the rest on the back. I thought we already did these pink. Oh no! Got on my scrunchie. Ooh, y'all hear that? That sounds good. Okay. One more of these. Okay. Oh. This is trash. Y'all hear that? Yep, girl. Okay. I should have cleaned off my work area before I did all this, but I didn't realize. I feel like they make it look so easy. But I thought it was gonna be mess free. And then these, last but not least, these are my favorite. These, like, I don't know what the fuck they are. I don't know what they are. But these bitches, I feel like they be making the best sounds. Gotta get them. Gotta get that boom boom pow. Okay. Now, yes. Oh my gosh. I love this.